Yes, student, today we are starting a new chapter. This is study of D block elements. Student, I told you before study of any of the block element, it is necessary that we should give a bird view in the periodic table. It is because the relative position of each and every element with their atomic number and the general outer electronic configuration. It plays very important role during the study of the whole chapter. That is what frequently there will be need of the atomic number, the electronic configuration, okay, and the other property, that is the relative position. Thus, the periodic table in short only for D block element is given here. It is because in the left side element they are called S block element, and the right side elements having 6 groups are called P block elements, but the middle elements, these elements are known as D block elements. Okay, student, D block elements are also called what? Very important thing, what? Transition element. Transition element. In 11th class, we defined the transition element like the change in the property S compared to S block and P block. That is the element which shows the change in the property of S block and P block. They are called what? Transition element. But in 12th class, we will define it in another way. Student, the general outer electronic configuration of D block element, if we write, it will n minus 1 D 1 2 10 and ns 0 or sometime 1 or sometime 2. This is the general outer electronic configuration. Student, in D block element, the valence shell consists two different type of subshell. One is what? N, and second one is what? N minus 1 D. Okay, that means what? That means the reactivity, the oxidation state and the other property will be very different as compared to the S block and the P block element, because in S block element only N, that is particular orbit, is observed and having only one subshell. In P block element, their study having again single orbit but two subshells are considered. But in transition element, two orbit, one N and one N minus 1 D are considered. Now, the D block element started from group number 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. That is group number 3 to 12. Total 10 groups are there which are included in D block element. If we start writing the name of element, scandium, atomic number is 21, titanium 22, vanadium 23. And the place is left, it is because it is having a specific element, what? Chromium. Atomic number 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28. Again the place is left. This is for what? Copper 29, and then zinc. This is what? 30. Okay, similarly, yttrium. Now the 21, we have to add 18. So 21 plus 18 will become what? 39. Yttrium. Zirconium, now there will be sequence 39, 40, that is 41. Okay, and now the next element is molybdenum, having element number what? 42. Technetium 43, 44, 45, 46. Now this is for again specific element, silver 47 and then cadmium 48. Okay, then 39 plus 18 is equal to what? 57. So the atomic number is 57. But remember here, now it belongs to which period? 4th period. It belongs to 5th period. That means now in 6th period there should be 32 element. So 39 plus 18 is equal to 57, and now we will add here 14 more element. These elements are called lanthanide. That means 57 to 14 is equal to 71. So this number of element means what? 14 plus 1, 15 elements are present there. That means now the hafnium will have atomic number after 71 become what? 72, 73, and this one is what? Specific element tungsten 74, this is 75, 76, 77, 78, and again specific element gold. Okay, atomic number 79, and again exceptional property having metal mercury. This is what? Atomic number 80. Now again we have to add how many element? 32. So 71 plus 18, okay, is equal to 89. So actinium will have atomic number what? 89. But what? We have to add 14 more element. These 14 more element belongs to what? Actinium. But all these are present in third group. So 943, and this is 103. So after 103, the element number will start 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, and 112, and 6 element for P block element. Student, their name are given on the basis of IUPAC nomenclature system. So this is 5th period, this one is 6th period, this one is 7th period, or we can call it what? 4, that is n minus 1, that will become 3D. So this series is known as 3D series, this is known as 4D series, this one is 5D series, this one is what? 6D series. So in this way we can write the electronic configuration, periodic table. Now on the basis of general outer electronic configuration, we can write the general outer configuration for SC. That will be what? That will be n minus 1 d what? 1, and the common for all is what? 4s2, and this 4s2 common up to what? This one. So now this has become what? D2, this will become D3, but here it becomes what? D5 due to exceptional configuration, and therefore this is what? S1. Again simply D6, this is D7, D8, D9, but besides of D9, and then what? D5, D6, D7, this is what? D8, and there should be D9, but besides of D9 that become D10, and therefore the S become 1, and again in the last one D10, and S become now what? 2. So this is the general outer electronic configuration.